Welcome back. Today I've got another yogurt video for you, but this time I'm going to show you a method for making super thick yogurt. It's all about heating and holding the milk for longer than normal, which results in a really nice thick pot set yogurt. Before you get started, you need to make sure everything's sterilized. That's your whisk, your thermometer and pot, and your yogurt jar. Now I'm going to pour 2 liters of full cream milk into this pot, get it on the stove and gently heat it to 82 degrees Celsius. We're going to use the heat and hold method today. Once the milk gets to 82 degrees, you need to hold it there for around 20 minutes. This helps to denature the proteins in the milk, resulting in the thickest yogurt. The little bit of evaporation that occurs also helps to thicken the yogurt. Keep an eye on the milk, make sure that it doesn't bubble over, and give it a whisk every now and then to stop it burning on the bottom. Once you've held the milk at 82 degrees for 20 minutes, then you can take it off the heat and let it cool right down to below 42 degrees Celsius. Then you can go ahead and add your starter culture. We're going to use the Yo Gourmet starter culture with probiotics, and that's available online. This pack contains 6 unique varieties of bacteria, so you know that when you use it, your yogurt is going to give you a really good probiotic variety. Add your starter culture to the milk, give it a really good whisk, and then pour it straight into your yogurt jar. Put the lid on the jar and then you can put it into the base of the yogurt maker. Fill the base with water up to the tall line indicator, then you can return the cover and punch in your settings. For this yogurt, you can set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius and the time to anywhere between 9 and 24 hours, noting that the longer the time, the greater the probiotic value. Hit confirm to start incubation. The fermentation time will also affect the taste of the yogurt, so you should note that the shorter the time, the sweeter the yogurt, the longer the time, the more tangy and acidic. Once incubation is finished, remove the jar from the base and put it into the fridge to chill and set for at least 6 hours. So there you have it, a super creamy and thick pot set yogurt. The great thing about this yogurt is that together with that Yo Gourmet yogurt starter and the 24-hour fermentation time in the yogurt maker, you can be assured that this is loaded with really good probiotic culture. This is just one method for making yogurt, but we've got plenty more to suit your dietary requirements, your tastes, and your lifestyle. So check out the blog to find the yogurt that suits you best. As always, if you want to see more of our Luvele Life videos, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out. If you're having success in making yogurt at home for yourself, then let us know how you're going in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another video.